Nazia is here.
Okay, Nazia. Learn, select statement, update statement, read statement, insert statement. Okay, if you go through those yesterday's video, you will understand. Again, if you have any questions, we will connect. Okay, separately.
Okay.
Okay, so these are very simple. Okay,
Mhm.
let's say we take some example. We have all the tables here. When you go to the W3 schools, okay, you can see like try yourself. Okay, if you do try yourself, you can see all the tables. Yesterday we have created the tourist table. Okay, we learned create table also. Okay. Create table. Okay, create tables. We created the tourist table. I shared all the queries with you. The chart window, whatever we practiced. Okay. Let's say, for example, instead of tourist we have only two customers, right? Run SQL. So how many records we have? 91. Okay, 91 records in this table, right? Now tell me, these customers are from different countries, right? Now our requirement is, let's say we are preparing some report. Okay, let's say for example, front end we have some drop down to choose the country. If you choose the country UK, we should display all the customers from UK. Understand? So what kind of query we need to write in the backend? Tell me. So let's say you are testing the front end application. You selected in the drop down the country equal to UK. So now you are getting some customers there in the front end, in the table. How do you verify that in the back end? Are you getting the right customers or not? Tell me. Select star from customers where country equal to UK. So if you execute this statement in the back end, you see 7. So same customers should come in the front end. When you are filtering by the country, this is nothing but filter. This is nothing but filter. Understand? So where country equal to UK condition. If you change it to Germany, you will get customers from the Germany. Right? Germany. 7 customers. Let's say in the front end, you are selecting the drop down to choose the country and you are entering the city in the text box. In Germany, there are so many cities, right? Berlin or all these things. Or let's say if you go to UK, you will have London and all those different cities. Okay. Right? So now the front end you are selecting the city also, and city equals London. Now total how many records from UK? 7. But if you are adding one more filter, and means this both conditions should be true. Okay, 6. Right? It's filtering other countries. Okay, UK and London. UK and London. Got it? Clear? Okay, and the condition we learned yesterday. Okay, so now let's say again we are doing select star from customers, we'll get 91. So I want to see all the customers whose name starts with A. Understand? They can be from any country. I want to see all the customers. I want to prepare a report. I want to see, let's say we have sorting option, right? Okay. Let's say select star from customers. You see where is the condition? Where customer name, right? This is the customer name. customer name like what? Single quotes, percentage. That's I'm giving A. Now it will filter out. See, 8 guys. No, this is wrong. So why this is wrong? It's coming with ending with A. Okay. We want starting with A, then A percentage. Starting with A percentage. Now you see how many guys we are having? 4. We are having 4 records. Right? You understand? Like you need to understand. Like keyword you need to use. Like percentage symbol. Starting with A percentage. Ending with ending with A like this percentage A. Now you see 8 records. Now anywhere A, anywhere the name contains A. You see 74 guys. You check any customer, now A will be there. A is there, right? Let's say for example, I am selecting Alfred. What will happen if I select Alfred? Contains anywhere contains Alfred. How many records will come? Only one guy. One person. You understand the wildcard symbols? Say there is another thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another interview question. They will ask. Let's say anywhere. Okay, starting with A. You see, starting with A. Okay, ending with S and 6 characters total. You see, this is starting with A, comma, ending with S and 6 characters names. Why here you give 5? You see here. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This total 7 characters name. Okay, total 7 characters name. Is it clear? This one. Okay, 5 hyphens are there here. Okay, which is matching with Alfred's. That's the reason this record is coming. Let's say this also I will share. Okay. Now let's say let's do start from customers. Now 9 guys. Right? Okay, let's say Shamla is there, right? So we want to get this record. We want to get this record. Now tell me how you will write query. Her name is this one. Select start from customers. That is one way where customer name equal Shamla. That only one record will come using the wildcard characters. I'm asking where customer name like
Starting with this.
yes. underscore 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 underscore
ending with
yeah,
percentile.
percentage. So what this will do, tell me? So it will come with four letters name starting with S and ending with A. This will come? No.
No.
Let me know this. It's coming. Right? Okay, okay, I know. Why it is coming, I know. So here you mentioned fourth character. Let's say here I am mentioning B. What will happen? Result. Understand? Let's say here I am putting A. Again underscore underscore LA I am putting. Understand? Underscore underscore LA. This also should pick up. Understand?
Yeah.
For the characters we are not using, we gave the underscores. Right? This is another way we can pull this one. Okay, guys?
Clear.
Okay. This one. Okay. So next one is wildcard characters will add. Okay. Now let's take the another table where we have some prices. If you go to products table, yeah, products table, right? Products table, we are having 77 records. Okay. Now I want to get all the products whose price is above 10 and below 30. Okay. You understand the requirement? Above 10 and below 30. How to do that? Tell me. Where? Where? Price
Is
greater than 10,
less than
like this, and
less than.
price less than 30. Now we will see. 24 records coming. Now verify. Oh, sorry.
You said
Less than. 38 records coming. 18. 18 is greater than 10, less than 30. Everything below 30, right? And above, clear? Right? Do you see any records with 10 or 30 here? Do you see any records with price 10? No.
no.
Why? Because we are filtering by greater than 10. Now, if you
Yes.
want to include those two also, there is another keyword called between. Select where price between 10 and 30. So previously, how many records? 38 records. Now we will see 42 records. So why 4 records added? You see, this is one record, 10. This is second record, 30. This is third record, 10. This is fourth record. 4 records got added. Okay? Okay. So this is also entry question. This is a range where between we will use to choose the range. So those two values, whatever we are using, also will be included in the result set. If you use the between. If you use the condition, previously we used the condition greater than less than. Then whatever matching with the condition greater than 10, those records will come. If you use the between, these two values also range, those also will be included. Okay, this is the difference. 1 second, guys. Okay. Now you know the between now, right? This one. I put it here. I can share the file, so that will be easy, right? Where is this one? It closed. Anyone like Windows 11? Price between 10 and 30, right? So now we want to find the highest price from the table. Highest price product from the table. How we will find? Different prices, right? Different prices. Right? First of all, if you want to see all the different prices, what you will do? Select distinct. Distinct means different. Price from products. Okay. Total, we have 74 records something. 62 different prices are there. These are all the different prices. Within this, what is the highest price and what is the lowest price? Lowest one I see 6. Okay. Highest 62, 123, 263. Okay. 263.5 is the highest. Lowest 6, right? Do you see anything less than 6? No. Right? We want to get these two records. So distinct will use for different values. Same way customer table, right? We want to see customers are from what are all the different cities. We'll use distinct city. Distinct city. Here we are using distinct price. We want to see the different price. So now we want to get the max price. Select max price from products. You see 263. This is aggregate function. There are aggregate functions. We are learning that now. Max, min, average, sum. All these are aggregate functions. Now column name also coming max price. If you want to give some alias name is as give something as highest price, something like that. Now run it. You see the column name becomes highest price. This value we are giving the column name as highest price. Understand max? So same way min. Okay, let me take this note down. Max. Same way, let's copy paste. Giving the column name lowest. See? Oh, min is 2.5. Understand? Min is 2.5. So you understand the max and min? Same way, we will have the average. The aggregate function average. This is the average price. 28 point. You can change this tag. Average price 28.86. Okay. max, average. Let's say you have different products, right? Let's start from products. You have different prices, all these things, 77 items, right? So you want sum of the amount, total cost of all the prices. Okay, select sum I'm giving from products. You see this much. Okay. Understand all these aggregate functions. These are all the aggregate functions. Based on our requirement, we need to use it. Clear? Same way, there is one more. You want to see in total how many records are there. Okay, select count star from 77. Understand? Count star. Here, count star. What is happening? 1 second, guys. My laptop is not getting charged. Okay. Any questions from this one? Everyone understand the aggregate functions. So now if you go here, you can see everything you can practice. Okay. Now we learned select distinct, where, and or not. Not we will see order by. Order by. So now order by is for sorting. Okay. Let's do start from products. Now you see this is the order, right? So now we want to sort this by the price. Okay. Now it's not in the order, right? Order by price. See, lowest to highest by default. See, highest. Clear? Order by keyword we will use to sort. Okay. Order by price. So we have two types, ascending and descending. Now it's starting by the lowest to highest. Okay. Let's say I am giving ASC. Right now it's started by ascending. Okay. Let's say I am giving by default now descending. So by default ascending. If you don't give anything, it's ascending order, lowest to highest. So that is integer. Okay. So now if you are giving descending, what will happen? Highest to lowest. So entire record will be filtered. Okay. 263. Not only this column, right? This data is related to this one only for that record, right? Product ID and everything. It's clear? Order by. You need to remember all these keywords. order by, we'll end order by. Insert, we'll end null values. Do we have any null values anywhere? Customers. Do you see any null values anywhere? No. We will update one record, Shamla record, okay? We'll update Shamla record city equal to null. We will set it, okay? Tell me how to do that. Our customer ID is 95. Okay, how to update that? Update customers set city equal to null where customer ID equal to 95. 95. So for 95 customer, we are setting city equal to null. This is the syntax for the update statement, right? See, display. See, one row got affected. Okay. Now, how do you verify that is updated? Select star from customers. Now, scroll down, we can see city. You see? Now city equal to null. Now in this table, okay, we want to find out select star from customers where city equal to null. If you have any record city equal to null, those records will come. Okay. Now how many records are there in this table? City is null. Okay. Select star from customers where this column city is null. There is one record. City is null, right? That's the reason one record is coming. You understand null? So let's say you can do not null. What will happen? City is not null. 90 guys. Total 91 records. One record is null. Remaining not null. Okay. Clear? That is about null or not null. Okay. What else we can learn? Values, update, delete, will top. Okay. How the top keyword will work? If you want to see only top 5 records from the table, you can do select top 5 from customers. Then it will return first 5 records. But here it's not working. If you go to regular SQL editor, it will work. Let's say here top 5 records. Select top is the keyword. Okay. After the top, the number of records you want. Top 10 or 50 or whatever. Understand? Min max will add, count, average sum will add, like keyword will add, wildcards will add. In is okay. Say select star from customers where city in say Berlin. This is one value, comma. Then I am giving. It's 2 values. It can be any one of this. Okay, all the records will come wherever it's matching city equal to Berlin or city equal to London. See, 7 records. You observe the city Berlin. That's the reason this record is coming. All others London. That is about in statement. That's about in statement. In. It means in one of these. If we do city equal to Berlin, what will happen? Exact match. Okay, only that value will come. This is any one of these. It means. So other way, how we can write this? Tell me. Same result we want to see. How we can write this query? I want to get all the customers from Berlin or London. How we can get? Understand? Same result we will get. Okay? City equal to Berlin or city equal to London. It's equivalent to same thing. Okay, guys? That is about in statement. Okay? Between will and alias name I showed you as name, column name we will give. Join separate between will and right. Join separate session we will have. Next session we will learn about joins. The group by is very, very important. Okay, and it's a confusing one also. I will show you group by. Okay, let's say here we are having different customers, right? Customers are from different cities. If you do select star from customers, let's say I am preparing some report. Okay, I want to check how many customers are from each country. How many customers are from each country I want to display. Okay, let's say from country Germany, total how many are there? So normally what query will write? Tell me. If you want to see customers from Germany, how you will write the query? Here, country equal to
Germany.
Germany. 11 guys are there. Now you know that 11 people are coming. But what about other countries? Like that, you need to write many. We don't want to do that. But okay, here I don't want to see all the results. I want to see just the count. How many are from Germany? How you will do it? Select count star from customers. See, level. So here you can give some name for this alias name as total customers. See, count star. Now, same way, we need to get the count for all the countries. Here we need to have country name also in this result set. Germany 11. We need to have Germany, 11, 2 columns. How we can do that? So for that, we will do group by. Okay, where group means category by. Select count star, comma, city. Okay, from only 2 columns we are selecting. From customers, group by Group by city we are doing. Group by city. Okay, let's run this. There is a mistake. Customers MERS. See now. There is a null city. Remember, we updated one record. But that one guy, this one. Oh, we are giving by the city. Sorry. We will go with the country. From each country, how many people? Right? Country. Country. See, Argentina, 3 people. Right? Remember, Germany, how many? 11, right? See? 11. UK, 7 we should get, right? 7. Question? This is the entry question, definite entry question they will ask. Because they want to check, about group by. This is category by. Here we are category by the country. Each country. Argentina, Austria, something like that. Okay. Now it will show from each country how many customers are there. That we give the count star. We can give as total customers or whatever you can give it. So first of all, tell me how many different countries are there in this table. Now a lot of 91 records, right? 91 customers are from how many countries? How many records we are getting? We are going by the each country, right? 21. That means 21 countries are there. In other way, how you will check? Other way, how you will check how many different countries? Select distinct country customers. Now it will show all the different countries. We should get 21 records. See? They're all different countries. 21. Same thing will come here. Because we are grouping by the country. For each country. Total 21. Right? So here we will get the 21 records. What we are doing in this query, for each country, how many? That is count star. How many records are there? Here now, group by. This meeting will end in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will stop this session. There is some problem. My laptop is not getting charged. I'm not sure it will affect my work today. Okay. Actually, it's plugged in, but it's not getting charged. Okay. Anyway, this will dead. Okay. Okay. In 5 minutes, we will stop this session. Okay. Mainly, you need to learn about group by. This is very, very important. Okay. Now, if you learn group by, then they will ask the next entry question. Having. What is having? Okay. Let's say here, group by country, having count star greater than, say you want to find out all the countries where they have customers more than 5 customers, greater than 5. Right? Now we will see how many countries are there like that. See, now only 5. You see, total customers greater than 5. They're from Brazil, this one. You understand? So anytime if you are using the having, that means you are using the group by. Just before that, group by something. Until this, you have the result set. Again, you are filtering that. Okay? Again, you are filtering that. Having count star greater than 5. Okay? Clear, guys? Any questions? Tanuja, Najia, Chalpati? Any questions here?
Clear.
Okay, this is very, very confusing even after 10 years also. You need to remember the aggregate function whatever you are grouping by, here we are grouping by the country, you don't need to use the aggregate function for that. For other columns, you need to use the aggregate function. What are the other columns? Round star. Okay, that is the thumb rule for this. Okay, I will send you all this. In Ajay and Tanuja, previous session record I have sent you in the WhatsApp, the SQL Session1. Go through that.
Allah, we have to change.
Let me stop recording. Okay.